Hey neighbors, today we're going to check out a new tool for the lawn. It's an Ego Edger. We're going to do an unboxing, so come on, let's check this out. I know there's better ways to do it than ripping the box, but this is the power head, but you can swap out multiple different tools in here. Weed eaters, brushes, tillers, edgers. I just got the edger attachment to start with. Alright, so we got a couple tools here, an Allen wrench, and a T-handle. We got our handle. And of course, we got our edger. As much as I hate to look at the instructions, you know what? Let's try to do it without the instructions first. That's always the best way to do it. All right, so you're gonna take the Allen bolts all the way out of here, because the handle goes on the motor shaft. I've used Ego products before, the mower, the chainsaw, the blower I use. Now I can't use the mower because it won't mow low enough, because I'm using a real mower now. But they make really good equipment. I've had a couple issues with batteries, but they've always sent me brand new batteries anytime I've had an issue. Adjust this handle once I get up and feel what it feels like. But for now, I'm just putting it right in between the end and the controls. Just snug it on down, hand tight. See how easy this connects in here, or not. Facing here, snug it down. Alright, see how this handle works out. Feels good. The tool is nice and heavy, which I like. The blade right here. It's exciting. Now I got the one that did not come with a battery, because to get a battery on it's about $100 more. And I already have a battery. I may have to adjust this handle a little bit. Let's get the battery. Here's my Ego charging station. Battery. Load it up. You gotta push in this safety button and then squeeze the handle. Got two different speeds. We'll see how it edges. Got my safety glasses on always before you edge or weed eat. Here's a little tip. When you push it in there, make sure it goes all the way until it clicks and those arrows are facing each other. Then tighten it down. Just got done using the Ego power head with the edger attachment on it for the first time, and it is great. It's heavyweight, powerful, cuts through the edge like it's not even there. I mean, look at this thing. If you're looking for a new edger, I highly recommend the power head Ego with the edger attachment on it. It's working awesome. So the Ego power head with the edger attachment was great. It had plenty of power. Look at that nice crispy edge. The battery had a long life on it where I used it to edge my whole front yard, and then I took that same battery, put it in the blower, blew everything off, and still had plenty of battery life. So I highly recommend the Ego power head, definitely with the edger attachment.